Folks, welcome to the Kool Zone. So today, I was sitting here saying to myself, I was like, you know what, dude? I was like, yo, I am craving for a steak and cheese. I said, but I'm also craving for some waffles. So I decided I'm going to make a steak and cheese waffle. And let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. Stay tuned. All right, we got a little oil in the pan. Just going to move that baby around. Let that thing get a little hot. Then we're going to throw our steak in there and we'll be ready to roll. All right, we're going to move that around. Get that nice and ready for us. We are actually using some shaved ribeye steak, which is going to be amazing. We're just going to sprinkle a little salt and pepper on here. Not too much. Just a little. And we want to pop some pepper on there because we want to give it that heat. Alright, we got the steak all set. Next, we're going to chop up our onions and peppers. And then we're going to do our mushrooms and we're going to put that all in there. Alrighty, next. We already have our onions and peppers all set.
Look in my eyes, tell me what you see. A man with many visions, pushed to his limits at ease. I stand here a titan in this league. A gladiator, not magician, but I got tricks up my sleeve so you can't help but to listen. Suicidal when it comes to rhymes. I throw my life on these tracks and my blood aligns. Homicidal when it comes to my recital.
Pepper on top. Get it nice and ready. Amazing. And the thing that we're doing here, we're not trying to cook these all the way. We're just trying to get it nice and hot and ready just so we can get these things getting real nice and crunchy. And then we're going to take these babies right off. Next, I just thought I'd throw in a few of these mushrooms. Get those in there, not too much, because I'm actually going to cut these up once I get them just the way I want them. And then we'll take it from there. Alright, the mushrooms are all set. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we'll do the waffles. And then we will begin the building process. Stay tuned. I can't help but to start my competition. A bribe on my money, now my eyes on the Benjamins. Chase's focus at the task at hand. Knowledge base can't be replaced by none of them. I see myself on the top of that haystack. White wave cack snug with an all-black yank hat. Seeing my foes from the days way back in. Seeing them bitches who played chase back then. That was the past, there's no reenacting. The times has changed, I ain't going backwards. I'm pushing forward towards the top. So all the doubting ass people play whores and suck thoughts. I know it's a lot, but that's how I feel. We ain't getting no breaks, just sweating up hills. Just look in my eyes, you feel what I feel. My vision is real clear. I'ma spill what I feel here. Read the storylines. Right, so I have to do something special, of course. So this next one that I'm going to put together is going to be the ultimate steak and cheese waffle. And I'm going to stack this baby up to the max. And let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing. As you can see right now, we are starting off with an egg. Stay tuned. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now this is the finished product. As you can see right here, we have our very own steak and cheese waffle. And let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing.
Read the storylines.